So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anthony G. Tolosa. So for this day, I have a quiz. So this quiz is composed from chapter 1 to chapter 11. So I will answer it and I will explain it to you. So without further ado, let's get started. So I make or made a program here. That's why we can easily answer and view the question. Okay. So this is the code of my system or my program. Okay. So just click the F11 and it will be run the program by the compiler. So just press enter to start. So it will come to Quizofile. Just enter here. Just type your name here, Anthony. So hello Anthony. So are you ready to start the quiz, Anthony? So yes, we are ready. So it will, good luck. So press enter to continue. So the system will be processing. Just wait. Okay, so the quiz file composed of three consecutive categories: the start quiz, the view score, and the exit quiz. So we want to answer the quiz. That's why we just type the one. That's why the quiz will be start. So which did you prepare? So number one is networking part 1 and the number 2 is networking part 2. So before we go to part 2, we go to part 1 muna. So just enter the 1 or type the 1 and just enter. Okay, it will be processing. Okay, so note, enter answer in the A, B, C, and D only. So number 1, which device performed the function of determining the path that message should take through internet networks? So let A, DSL model, B, modem, B, firewall, C, router, D, web server. So the answer will be C here. Oh, C here. Okay, correct answer. So a router is used to determine the path that the messages should take through the network. Then the firewall is used to filter incoming and outgoing traffics. Then the DSM modem is used to provide internet connection for a home or an organization. Okay, we go to number 2. Which connection option provide an always-on high-bandwidth internet connection to computer in a home office? So A, DSL, B, dial-up telephone, C, satellite, D, cellular. So letter A, it's the correct answer. Okay, so DSL can provide an high bandwidth, an always on connection, and an internet connection to a host computer. Okay, so we go to number 3. So which command or key combination allows a user to return to the previous level in the command hierarchy? A, Control C, B, Control C, C, exit, D, end. Okay, so the answer will be D here. Okay, so end command return the user to the privileged exec mode, while the control C ends a command in process. Then the exit command return the user to the previous level. Okay. Okay, then we go to number 4. So which interface is the default SBI on a Cisco switch? Letter A, VLAN 99, B, VLAN 1, C, Pass Internet 01, D, Gigabit Internet 01. Okay, so the answer will be B, bilan 1. So, 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 ano ba? What? Mm, so, the SBI is a virtual interface and VLAN 1 is enabled by default on Cisco switches. Okay. Then VLAN 99 must be configured to be used and be used. So fast internet and the gigabits internet 0/1 are physical interface only. Okay. So we go to number 5 here. So what type of communication will send a message to all devices on a local area network? So the answer will be C. Okay. So broadcast is a one-to-all communication. Then the unicast is one-to-one communication. Then the multicast is one-to-many communication. Okay, we go to number 6. So at which layer of the OSI model would a logical address be encapsulated? Letter A network layer, B, a transport layer, C, a physical layer, D, the data link layer. Okay, so the answer will be A. So logical address are encapsulated at the network layer. Then the physical address are encapsulated at the data link layer. Then the port address are encapsulated at the transport layer. Okay. So we go to number 7 here. So which method of data transfer allow information to be sent and received at the same time? A. Simplex, B. Half duplex, C. Multiplex, D. Full duplex. So the answer will be D here. Okay, so full duplex can flow data into two ways at the same time, while the half duplex can flow the data into two ways but not simultaneously. Okay, we go to number 8. So what is the definition of bandwidth? A. The measure of the usable data. B. The amount of data that can flow from one place to another in a given amount of time. C. The measure of the transfer of bits across the media. And D. The speed of bits. So the answer will be B. Okay. So bandwidth is the measure of the capacity of a network medium to carry the data. So and also it is the amount of data can flow from one place to another in a given amount of time. Okay, we go to number 9. So which switching method uses the CRC value in a frame? Letter A, store and forward, B, cut through, C, pass forward, D, fragment free. The answer will be A. Okay. So when the store and forward switching method is used, the switch receive the complete frame before forwarding it onto the destination. So the CRC is used to determine if the frame has been modified during the transit. Okay. Okay. So we go to number 10. So which destination address is used in ARP request frame? A. 0.0.0.0, B. 127.0.0.1, C. FFFF.FFFF.FFFF, or or D 255.255.255.255. Okay, the answer will be C here. Okay, so the purpose of an ARP request is to find the MAC address of the destination host on the internet LAN. So the frame contains the IP address of the destination and the broadcast MAC address of FFFF, FFFF, and FFFF. So 255.255.255.255 is a subnet mask. Okay, so enter. So total score is 10. Congratulations, you are excellent. So press enter 1 to go back to the main menu. So just go back to, so just press 1 and just enter. Okay, so we need to answer the networking part 2. So just type the one here to start the quiz, then type the 2. That's why it will go to the networking part 2 quiz. Okay, the system will be processing. So 1. What IP version per header field identifies the upper layer protocol carried in the packet? A. Protocol, B. Version, C. Differential services, D. Identification. So the answer will be A here. A here. So the protocol field in the IP header that identifies the upper layer protocol the packet is carrying. So the version field identifies the IP version while the differential field is used for setting packet priority. Okay, number 2. So what routing table entry has a next hop address associated with a destination network? A. C and L sources routes, B. Local routes, C. Remote routes, D. Directly connected routes. So the answer will be C. Okay. So routing tables entries for remote routes will have a next hop IP address, while the directed connected and local routes have no next hop. Okay, we go to number 3. A message is sent to all hosts on a remote network. Which type of message is it? A. Unicast, B. Directed broadcast, C. Multicast, or D. Limited broadcast. So the answer will be directed broadcast. Okay, so directed broadcast is a message sent to all hosts, while the multicast send a message into a selected group, while the limited broadcast is limited to the host on the local group. Okay, number 4. So which protocol support stateless address configuration or the SLAAC for dynamic assignment for IP version for address to a host? A. DHCP version 6, B. The ARP version 6, the C. ICMP version 6, or D. The UDP. So the answer will be C. The ICMP version 6. Excuse me. So the SLAAC or the stateless address auto configuration uses ICMP version 6 messages when dynamically assigning an IP version 6 address to a host. So DHCP version 6 is alternative for assigning while the ARP version 6 does not exist and UDP is the transfer protocol only. Okay. So number 5, what kind of port must be requested from IANA in order to be used with a specific application? A. Private port, B. Dynamic port, C. dynamic port, D. Registered port. So the answer will be registered port. Okay, so registered port are assigned by IANA to requesting entity to use with specific processes or application. So we go to number 6. So which feature will allow different communication stream to occur at the same time without having a simple data stream using all available bandwidth? A. Port number. B. Window size. C. Multiplexing. D. None of the above. So the answer will be C. Okay, we are correct. So multiplexing is useful for interleaving multiple communication stream, while the window size is used to slow down the rate of the data connection, while the port number are used to pass the data stream. Okay, we are done in number 6. We go to number 7. So when receiving email messages, which protocol allows for easy centralized storage and backup of emails that would be desirable for a small to medium sized business? So letter A, SMTP, B, POP or the POP, C, the HTTP, S, and D, the IMAP. Okay, so the answer for this will be, I think it will be D. Okay, correct answer. So IMAP is prepared for small to medium-sized businesses. Then the POP delivers the emails to the client. Then the SMTP used to send emails and not receive them. Okay, we go to number 8. So what part of the URL http www.cisco.com/index.html represent the top level DNS domain? Excuse me. So A.com, B index, C www, or D the HTTP. So the answer for that will be C. Ay, sorry. So the answer for that will be A. So I forgot because okay, sorry. So my bad. So www is a part of the domain name, while the sorry so my answer is C, but the correct answer will be .com, because the www is a part of a domain name, while the index is the file name, then the http is only the protocol. Sorry, my bad, it is my mistake. Sorry. Sorry. So we go to number 9. So which type of network threat is intended to prevent authorized user from accessing resources? A. Reconnaissance attack. B. Access attack. C. Trust exploitation. D. The DOS attack. So the answer will be D here. So correct answer. So the reconnaissance attack involves unauthorized discovery and mapping of the network. Then while the access attack involves unauthorized manipulation of the data, then the DOS attack are intended to prevent legitimate user and devices from accessing network resources. Okay, so we go to the last part, number 10. Which traffic type requires delay-sensitive delivery? A. FTP, B. Video, C. Email, D. Web. So the answer will be B. Video. Correct answer. So Video have delay sensitive characteristic and be given priority over the other traffic types such as the web, the email, the the FTP or the file transfer. So okay. So total score is 10. Congratulations, you are excellent. So we are done in all quiz in part 1 and part 2 of the networking. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. So that's all for the day and see you in my next video. Bye bye.